Okay, let's try this again. Hopefully, I have audio this time. Can everybody hear me? Can you let me know if you hear me? Because before it kind of glitched out, so I'm not sure what was going on with that. But if everybody let me know, can you hear me now? Does it sound okay? Okay, good, good. That's what I wanted to know. Okay, let's get started with the stream. Got a lot of information to pass along. Hopefully, we get our viewers back. We've only got 4 of them right now. But anyway, it's 55 degrees outside. Not too bad. It's currently 6:51, and it's 55 degrees outside. Winds, well, they're calm. They were out of the south at about 1 mile per hour, but they've calmed down. Rainfall, well, it's been missing for a long time. The rainfall's been really near and dear to my heart. I really miss it because we haven't seen rain in forever. Let's take a look at Doppler radar. Nothing on there, unfortunately. Really missing the rain, but we do have, well, some good news and some bad news as well. Let's get on with it and take a look out there. Currently, it's supposed to be tonight a low of around 42 degrees, so it's going to be kind of cool out there. Not too bad, but it will be just a bit cool out there. Tomorrow, it'll be pretty warm. Highs around 74 degrees for tomorrow. Forecast outlook, of course, calling for Monday to be anywhere between 75 and 80 degrees. Sunny skies. Tuesday, of course, sunny skies, 78 to 84 degrees. Now, Wednesday, we get some clouds in here, and that's all due to a cool front that's going to be approaching from the west. But overall, it'll be sunny out there with a few clouds. High 78 to 84. Thursday, we start to get some showers coming in here ahead of that next cool front that we will have move through. 30% chance of that on Thursday with a high 72 to 79. Now we have that cool front move through on Thursday. Friday, calling for a 60% chance of showers. They did throw in a chance of a thunderstorm, but I think they've took that out of the forecast. Looking like a high of 46 to 50, so going to be a pretty strong little cool front move through. Take a look at the 6 through 10-day temperature outlook. Of course, this is valid Saturday, the 11th of November to Wednesday, the 15th of November. So we will cool off a bit through this time frame, thanks to that cool front moving through. But the unfortunate news is looking on into the 8 through 14-day outlook, well, it looks hot. Models are kind of hinting at we may have an area of high pressure, a strong area of high pressure set in. And it could be very dry as well as very hot. Now, that pink that you're seeing there, of course, these temperature outlooks do change. The 8 through 14 day does change a lot, so we won't hold this in stone, but these are just something the models are hinting at right now. And that is for far western Alabama, or actually along I-65 and west of I-65. Now, east of I-65, we're going to go back up into the 80s. It's going to get warm. Along I-65 and west of I-65, the 8 through 14 day outlook is showing, temperature outlook is showing we could get back into the 90s out there to the west. So it's going to get potentially hot again between Monday the 13th to Sunday the 19th. Now, that being said, rainfall outlook, of course, Saturday the 11th to Wednesday the 15th. Pretty much, I don't think this updated at all. It's not showing anything like it's not showing nothing, so I don't think it's updated just yet. So we will check back with that maybe later on. But the 8 through 14 day outlook is showing, and this is valid Monday the 13th to Sunday the 19th. Rain chances will start to come back around that time frame. We'll have another system come in potentially during that time frame, another cool front. Now, right now, it's too far out to tell how much rainfall we will get. But I can tell you this, the system coming in this Friday, of course, it will help us. It will help us just a little bit. We're not going to have much. Like, it's not going to be a big rainmaker, but it will. Any will help. I mean, it'll help just a little bit. Of course, it's not going to bring us out of the burn ban and all that stuff in the drought, but any rain would help, just a bit. So let's move to the GFS outlook. Take a look at that. Now, this is the first cool front comes through. It comes through, looks like anywhere between Friday into Saturday. So here's Friday. Got those showers coming through. And then, of course, they move on out pretty quick. Now, this next batch that's coming in, it'll come in around, I believe, the 19th and 20th. Now, here's the first batch. That's the first system. Now, here comes the second system around the 19th. Models are predicting could get some decent rainfall with this one around the 19th. Now, again, those models are pretty far out, so they will change just a bit. Let's take a look at our cold front. Well, there it is. You can see it coming through Friday and Saturday. It really drops the temperatures, and you can actually see the line as it's moving through. You can really see that cool front moving through. Again, it is hinting we will have another cool front around the 19th. But unfortunately, this little bit of rain we have, we better enjoy it because it may be the only rain we get for quite a little while again. So it looks like it could be dry on forward until at least the 19th. So let's just hope that that changes. But right now it doesn't look very good because the models are predicting that we will have high pressure set back into the area after that cool front moves through, and the rain we get will be very light. In fact, let's take a look at that rainfall amounts and see if I can get that up real quick. Okay, of course, there's the total precipitation outlook, and it is not showing much at all. Like 0.4, like not much rainfall at all. Basically just a light rain, like a mist, basically. Some light rainfall is what we're expecting out of this. Hopefully we do get a bit more than that, because that's just not much of nothing. So let's move on to what's the big story has been lately, and that is going to be all of these fires everywhere. Now, this was sent in by Wesley Busby. I believe I just seen him come in there. Shout out to him. And this was from 538 Bethel Raid Valley Head area. I may not have said that right. But one of the fires over there in Valley Head that got out of control that was sent in by Wesley Busby. There he is. Yeah, hello, Wesley Busby. Thanks for joining us, man. Appreciate it. But lots of fires getting out. Not just in Henniger, but everywhere. Now, there's been fire calls all day today. I know because I always got my ham radio with me, and we've got the scanners in there and the radio so we can listen to what's going on. And there has been fire calls everywhere today for fires getting out. So I feel bad for them guys. They really are working their tail ends off, and I bet they probably wish that they never see another fire again, and I don't blame them if they do. Here's another photo by them, by Wesley Busby, of that same fire there, Valley Head. So I thought I'd show that live, let everybody see that. And again, we are still under a burn ban. Now, was going up the road and saw a neighbor burning, okay? It's the first thing that comes to my mind. I mean, because I just heard the fire department get toned out for some other fires that are out of control. And I'm thinking to myself, I bet they don't know that there's a burn ban in place. So I pulled over there and talked with my neighbor and said, man, I don't know if you knew this or not, but we're under a burn ban. You're not supposed to be burning anything. And he said, man, I didn't have any idea. So I actually helped him put it out. So spread the word. Now, I know a lot of people work. They ain't got time to stay on Facebook, and they ain't got time to watch the news. Some people work. They work and work and work, and they just don't think about, watching the news or anything, or they just ain't got time to look at it. So pass this along. We are under a burn ban. It is in effect. So, you can be fined if you get caught burning and it gets out, or, any case, you could be fined. They're going to enforce this. They're getting tired of people burning, and it getting out. So take it seriously. Just don't burn anything. Wesley says we're at 13 since the first. I've heard y'all on fires every day. I feel bad for y'all. So appreciate what y'all are doing out there for sure. Appreciate you watching for sure. And I just had to do this just because it's kind of funny, okay? Don't do this, okay? This is what you don't do during a burn ban. And this just seems like this is what people's doing. Fire department warning everybody, please don't burn, please don't burn. I've seen them posting this all day on Facebook. Multiple fire departments have posted this, please do not burn. And 5 minutes later, fire out of control. And it just reminds me of somebody taking a vehicle with it on fire and just driving it out in the woods, say, hey, don't burn. Well, let's just get in a vehicle that's on fire and drive it on out in the woods. Okay, so just had to do that. So sorry about that. Didn't mean to waste your time with it. But anyway, we're getting ready to wrap it up. Just remember, we are under a burn ban. So don't burn anything, not even a twig, not a cigarette. I mean, if you burn a cigarette, make sure you put it out, before you throw it down. And I'm trying to adjust this. It drives me crazy when it does that. Okay. But anyway, let's get to the chat here, and let me wrap it up for YouTube. I forgot, I'm also on YouTube. So hope you guys will enjoy it on YouTube. Like, subscribe if you do like the video, which we hope you do. We need more followers on YouTube. And we'll keep you updated. Enjoy that rain on Friday, because it may, or actually Thursday and Friday, because it may be the last bit of rain we see for just a little while. And it's not expected to be heavy. But keep in mind, models do change. They have been kind of trending up and down on this system. So we will see. Let's hope we do get enough rainfall, or get some more than what's predicted. So we'll keep you updated on that. Thanks for watching on YouTube. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for all the firefighters out there and all the first responders. Appreciate you.